Beehiiv Newsletter tutorial, how to use Beehiiv in 2024. Hello guys and welcome to the tutorial. In today's video, I will be telling you about the Beehiiv online newsletter. Of course, this might be, the old generation and new generation coming up together perfectly. Because of course, when I say newsletter, you are all probably thinking about people over 60. But doing it in an online way seems like the best way to bring an old thing to our times. And of course, I'm gonna show you guys how you can use it for your advantage, for your brand, for your store, for anything you might imagine in general. And we're gonna just go right ahead, start, and see how that goes. Everything starts with a free trial. They have a 30-day free trial. Of course, it's not like some of the other stuff we have done before. We have of course in the channel we have used some other products, and of course there were free ones, but this one is much more useful, so I can understand the 30-day free trial thing. I will start the trial from here with you. I just want to create an environment where of course I'm seeing the things with a new account, with an account that's not mine. And of course the no credit card detail required thing is kinda good. I'm just gonna go through that fastly. Nope, we're not doing that one. I am not gonna use the password they used. I'm gonna skip the password part. I'm gonna make a new password because I don't want anybody to use it honestly in any point in my time. I'm gonna do that and I will be right back. Oh, okay, if I actually physically write it, it doesn't show the password in the confirm password screen. So I didn't actually need to skip this part at all. In general, that's good. And if you want to receive updates from Beehiiv, that's perfectly on you. You can open this one up to see the new updates and everything. I will say get started. We will probably get a confirmation mail. Of course we do. I honestly hate confirmation mails, guys. Let me tell you that much. I hate seeing confirmation mails. I hate having confirmation mails. I hate them. I will of course do that for the video, but still it's something I hate very, very dearly, honestly. And of course, welcome. It says welcome here itself. We're gonna go right ahead, and of course we are gonna set up our, go on, and of course set up our newsletter experience. We're gonna go on and say we are a newbie, and we're gonna say continue. We're gonna say let's make it our newspaper like that. We're gonna make it about artificial intelligence. Say login, continue. Of course, I can just do that and use the 30-day free trial feature. I'm gonna do that and say start my free trial. And now that actually we are fully open and everything, I can actually start the writing process. Before everything, if you do not have anything right now on your hands, you should start the writing process, of course. And of course handle everything else later. They have a guided tip tutorial, they have customize your website tutorial, the theme tutorial, the subscribers, the drafts. Of course, subscribers are generally people you have as emails. That's a whole different thing. Of course, you shouldn't be thinking about it that much at this point in your career. So we're gonna start actually by just writing. We're gonna say start writing. You can say, of course, no, I don't want to use the website builder right now. You can either use the start writing feature, or you can press the arrow button here and say blank draft or use template. Both of these work. And of course, you can use a template. I actually want to use a template. I don't have a template right now, but of course I can create one. as you can see, like it's really bare bones if you actually start everything like this. But of course, like you can always add different stuff. You can like add different background colors, you can borders, spaces. You are free, you will be like really open to it in most cases about this. So you are of course free to do whichever one you want. If you have a template you have from other websites, definitely bring them over here, because of course this is actually like one of those websites where you can like bring up everything really easy. And I will be doing that of course in a second. I will just like go on like use templates, because I really like templates. I enjoy using templates a lot. And of course, if you have your own templates, you can do that as well. So, of course, let's say you wrote the name and everything. Let's say to make this test 1. Let's say a new beginning. Then let's say you got a gazette. Like a gazette, I mean picture. Maybe something like that. You got it in here. Like this. Maybe a higher quality one. Of course, when you have done something like this, this is a template. This is not an article itself. You can, of course, like go on and like preview this in the web, in the mobile version, in an email. Like I said, again, desktop, mobile. And when you save it, you can use your test template, or if you go back to the dashboard, you can say start writing. And if you say just start writing, of course you write without any of course templates and everything. You add your subtitles, you add your authors, you add your guest authors, and the more you write it, of course, you just like in here, all you have to do is just type your newspaper article, because you handle everything else on this right side. Like you can add you add the byline, you add height from feet, but don't actually open that one up. Then you write your preview, and when you are done with it, you can like say schedule for like a date. Let's schedule this okay, well, 25. I have okay, it wants me to set up a time as well. Let's go like this. It's gonna publish, but I don't like have a of course subscriber list right now. That's why it says like change the audience, or of course only publish the post to the web. You can like change the of course your delivery website. Like you can change all free subtitles, all free subscribers, or free. This is like manageable as well. Then I can just do that. I should be able to do it now. Of course it's blank, so I will add this is the first test. And if I do it now, after closing the all free subscribers button, I can say publish. And now it's ready and scheduled to be released like a year from now on, actually, when you think about it. But of course, after you are done with everything, the dashboard will help with the subscribers, and of course it will even show you the other stuff. But that was generally the website, and I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, don't forget to give us a like and maybe even subscribe to our channel. But in any other case, I hope to see you guys in the next video as well. Have a great day and goodbye.